off the puck by Isaac Johnson. The T-Birds take it behind the Americans at center in front. Backhand attempt on that one, rolling behind the goaltender in the crease, and the T-Birds have scored again. And let's see who gets credit. Kukuca at the back post as it got behind Warren. It got there because, again, Nolan Volcan in front just kept banging away. So the T-Birds take it behind the Americans at center in front. Backhand attempt on that one, rolling behind the goaltender in the crease, and the T-Birds have scored again. T-Birds having trouble getting the puck out of their own end. They turn it over. Here's Mutala. He'll shoot. Back post and a score. And just like that, the Americans are back within one at 3-2 as the two teams trade goals in the first minute plus of this second period. Back at the near circle, Johnson has it. 25 on the power play. Cross-side speed. We are tied at 3. A power play goal for Tri-City. 25 on the power play. Cross-side speed. We are tied at 3. A power play goal for Tri-City. The Americans 2-on-1. Into the zone. The shot. Score. And the Americans take the lead on Yaremko's blast. Back to Phil along the right dasher. Back in the slot to Bricks. Fed it across. Harsch, a one-time shot. And he will score. Reece Harsch, with his first of the season, ties this game up at 4. In the slot to Bricks. Fed it across. Harsch, a one-time shot. And he will score. To Bricks. Fed it across. Harsch, a one-time shot. And he will score. Reece Harsch, with his first of the season, ties this game up at 4. At it to keep it onside. Now Kukuca trying to get it back to Volcan, and does. Volcan in front to Kukuca. Backhand on that rebound. Covered, smothered. Shot, score! Nolan Volcan gives the T-Birds a lead back 5-4. Getting the rebound after Kukuca kept banging away on his own shot. Volcan in front to Kukuca. Backhand on that rebound. Covered, smothered. Shot, score! Nolan Volcan. Kukuca trying to get it back to Volcan, and does. Volcan in front to Kukuca. Backhand on that rebound. Covered, smothered. Shot, score! Nolan Volcan gives the T-Birds a lead back 5-4. Tri-City trying to center it from out of the corner. It comes back to the front of the net. Smeeman's shot. Save made by Hughes. Falls back in the crease on top of it. With his own Smeeman's shot. Deflected. Seattle trying to clear. It rolls back to Smeeman on top. Shot on net. Saved by Hughes. He'll hold it there with 1:04 to go. Crazy finish, but Seattle has won it. They've run their winning streak to 4 in a row, and they're perfect on home ice as well at 4-0 as they move on the season to 6-1-1 and back into first place in the U.S. division with 13 points.